We're Just a Podcast.
So-
Jim, please catch me up.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
So actually, yesterday, I just want to double check. Sound is okay, everyone. The backers.
Sound catchier than chicken
You can join us on
poxes.
playback.tv/Jim and Sab for the live stuff. But anyway, yesterday
Mm.
I couldn't
What?
do much because I was just watching the hearing.
It was pretty hard. Like I was keeping it in the background. I was doing stuff. Tapos naiirita lang ako. Grabe. So what did I miss?
So, number one, I have some notes. Okay?
Ooh.
Just like a deep dive.
Ooh.
Okay. Number one.
Wait lang.
Hmm.
So for those who have no idea what we're talking about, what are we talking about?
Okay. Alice Go, the fugitive,
Go Waping.
Go Waping. See, oh yay!
We got money!
Thank you, Arpo.
Woohoo! Thank you for that money.
Woohoo!
Thank you
Thank you for the money.
Hindi
Thank
namin
you. Thank
bibigay
you.
yan
Thank
kay
you for the
Alice Go.
money. Thank you.
Hindi kami pogo.
Okay.
Ayo.
So, Alice Go is a resource person, okay? So, she was the mayor of
Bamban.
Bamban. And it was
She
just
put it on the map though.
If you don't know,
She put it on the map.
Ito yung medyo wild pa rin ah. If you don't, which is wild. Because we were asking our house help, our people, I've been asking around. A lot of people don't know what's going on.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like, they're like, who's that? Ganun, sino si Alice Go? So anyway,
Okay.
Alice Go, 5-second recap.
Go.
She's a mayor who was apparently a Chinese national. People are suspecting her to be a Chinese spy. She put up a bunch of illegal pogos that did human trafficking, drugs, money laundering, all this shit.
Mm-hmm.
So she's a crime lord, a pawn, but also a crime lord
A fugitive.
in how these, I'll say it, I guess like how some Chinese syndicates
Mhm.
have put up businesses here in the Philippines, and they are doing a lot of illegal things without any resistance.
Yeah, because it's in the law. Now, if you're a foreign national, you can't own businesses. That's just how it works. And so they're trying to find loopholes
Yeah,
into
so-
working here.
So
Okay.
yan, we'll
So,
mention yung mga Cassie Ong.
tapos nawala siya, tumakas siya. And then
Tumakas tong
finally,
si Alice Go while after the Senate hearing. So if you haven't seen it, siya yung parang lumaki ako sa farm, lumaki po ako sa farm. So talagang nakakagago nakakagigil in the previous Senate hearings. Like, paano ka lumaki? Sino anong childhood memory mo? Wala siyang masabi. So she's an obvious liar, and in these hearings, apparently, you can say, like, I plead the fifth.
Yeah.
You can say, I don't want to say anything that will incriminate me because I'm not on trial. That's the point. Ito si Alice Go and all these other pogo whatever are refusing to answer the most basic questions.
Yeah.
Where did you go to school?
Yeah.
Who was your teacher?
Do you know this person?
Yeah. So anyway, now, yesterday was the much-awaited trial after she escaped. Nahuli siya sa Indonesia. She's back.
Mhm.
So, nakakatawa. The start of this whole shebang. So again, it was like, for me, this was more exciting than Pacquiao or anything. You know?
Miss Universe.
Yeah, anything. Even the last NBA playoffs, this was more exciting. I was really looking forward to it. And I had faint hopes that some revelation would happen. Right?
The only part that I caught was, sige, go ahead. I don't want to jump into it.
Okay.
Kasi nakanood ako like past, mga 12 o'clock
Yeah,
na.
we'll get there.
Kasi diba ang haba, diba?
Yeah. It started at
10.
10. It ended mga 3.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'd like to... Is it the most Filipino thing to just put so much unnecessary things in a freaking meeting.
Like what?
There was like a
opening remarks?
There was like a opening
I
remarks.
don't know why. Bakit pinayagan sila mag... Does anybody want to say something?
Nene, opening remarks by the chair, which is Miss Senator Risa, was fine. That's okay. And then biglang may...
No, but all of them had like a speech.
All of them had a semi-speech. Pero anyway,
Ulit-ulit lang, di ba?
yung pinakamatindi, I think, not pinakamatindi, but at the start, there was like a 30-minute roll call. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of the following people. And then they named each person in the freaking room.
Why? Sponsored ba?
Parang secretary, ganyan. Ganyan. SPO, whatever, ganyan. As in, sobrang tagal. Tapos I was, naghanap ako ng karamay. Dapat nga, we watched it on playback. So the next Senate hearing, maybe we should do it on playback. Because, you know why?
Ay.
YouTube live comments is a fucking cesspool.
Yeah.
It's so gross.
Don't.
I can't believe na, go, Alice, go.
We?
Ay, grabe. The trolls are still, may mga trolls pa rin.
She has supporters?
Oo, mga trolls na ng previous administration.
That's wild. Chika sa internet, complete daw mga senators yesterday, including Pebbles, Robin, and Bongo, to give pressure daw kay Alice na wag umamin. What do you guys think?
Yeah, well, actually, so, ito. So it started with that roll call.
Is that like necessary ba? Baka it's necessary like for the record?
For the record, better fucking do it prior to the tele.
Yeah, parang wag mo live stream.
Oh.
I mean, you want people to watch this, don't you?
So,
Kunti naman ang production value.
Oo nga eh, parang
wala na yan sa ano.
Sino yung
It's like the Emmys but like for the creative.
Sino yung
Do it
gumawa
off cam.
Sino yung gumawa ng Sona na inis lahat?
Yung director?
Pa-art.
I can't
Who's
remember.
that, guys? Yung previous administration na
Sona.
may director na Brillante Mendoza?
Not Daryl.
Hindi,
It was like
Daryl. It was like he was an art director.
asawa ni Sabay-Sabay?
No,
Hindi. Hindi to net,
not to net.
I think it was, whatever.
Okay.
Lav Diaz joke. It was not.
So,
I think it was Brillante Mendoza.
okay, so this is what happened.
Don't quote me on that.
So, nag-start yung hearing, right?
Joyce Bernal and Brillante. Okay.
Nag-start yung hearing. And as usual, nagpipiloso po na naman si Alice Go. Not piloso po, basta parang this is the major thesis. This was 2 hours probably. 2 hours of this. Senator Risa saying, hey, you have fingerprints your fingerprints are here, your signature is here of you applying for both a Filipino passport and a Chinese passport. Okay? Are you Gua Huaping? Right? No, I am Alice Go. Yun yung sagot niya. Paulit-ulit lang.
Up to now, she's denying it.
That's why Senator Risa was like, okay, kaya na-charge siya with contempt.
Oh.
Na-charge siya. Which I don't get.
I think that means you're gonna stay there. You're gonna stay there while the hearing is going on.
So that's what happened. So parang nakakatawa si Sen Risa. In fairness to Sen Risa, it took her an hour and 30 to kind of break. Like parang, Diyos ko. Parang gano'n, konting gano'n. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng meme eh.
Oh?
Nagkaroon siya.
Ay, actually, napanood ko yung part na yun.
Gano'n siya. So anyway.
Sarap niyang sigawan ng ano.
Ano parang?
Tanga na naman, bash! Pag gano'n, gigil ka na.
So, after that, they suspended. Senator Risa couldn't take it.
Was it like a movie na order in the court?
No, hindi ganun.
Anong order nyo? Lunchtime na wali.
In fairness nga nila sa pag ng gavel, medyo hindi siya as, if I were Senate President, I'd be like, enough! Enough!
Order!
Anyway.
Order in the court!
So, they took a break. They charged her with contempt because nga, she was namimiloso po na naman. Like, ayaw niya sumagot ng kahit ano. wouldn't say if that's really her. She just kept saying, I am Alice Go.
I know she was saying she didn't want to say anything because her life was in danger.
And then the next 2 hours was just about a death threat. She claims that there's a death threat. And then finally, this is where things kind of got interesting.
Nakakatawa as she's saying that, tas nagpan yung camera dun sa ibang senators. Ganun ba?
Hindi.
Okay.
Hindi. Sabi
That's
niya,
what Brillante Mendoza should have done.
Sabi niya na wala ako.
She said na there was a death threat.
Kanya may death threat siya. Sabi niya, okay, so they were asking, sinong tumulong sa'yo to escape? So, tinatakot na siya, paulit-ulit, sinisindak na siya, from Jinggoy to whoever. And then she finally said, pwede ko ba isulat sa papel? Ay, hindi. Oh, parang something like that. Or Senator Risa said, okay, write it down on the paper. And then sabi ni Alice Go, I'll write it down pero don't read it out loud. Sabi ni Senator Risa parang, don't tell us what to do. Don't tell us what to do. Write it down. So in fairness, she wrote it down. She wrote one name. And then the senators
What's the name?
Yun nga eh. Guys, kasi the senators looked at the name.
This was yesterday? Yeah.
And then they were all like, looking at the paper, passing the paper. And then they kept talking about that person as if napag-usapan na siya sa hearing.
So
that's true. After 30 minutes of like badgering, she finally wrote it down.
Did they
didn't read it out loud, pero they kept saying, it was a resource person daw.
5 passports holder daw.
Yeah, nasa Taiwan daw. Yun yung, so they kept talking about him as if they knew him. Na he's in Taiwan. That's parang this person. Why would he help you?
So yun yung actually there people in the chat, they're saying that she did not write a name, but she wrote 5 passport holder.
Ganun ang sinulat. Ang labo naman.
Parang blind item. Sino ite na may 5 passports daw? Nasa Taiwan. Name ang sinulat.
Name ang sinulat.
Shami naman eh. Okay. Nung sinulat ni Alice, biglang pumasok si Bongo.
So ito na. This is what I wanna get to.
Okay.
Let me just do a quick recap and then let's get on the part.
Okay.
Parang kwento muna natin yung summary.
Sure.
Ano nangyari.
Okay.
So that was the main thesis. Alice Go refused to answer. It was just a bunch of back and forth and a bunch of senators just chiming in for
Mema.
Pasikat.
Sure.
Okay? Now, if I had no knowledge and I had no Twitter or whatever, or had no resource people, resource persons to contact and ask, like, matino ba tong senator na to? I would really think. Like, Senator Joel Villanueva, the whole time, he was very active. Mga, binastos mo yung Pilipinas. Ganyan. You cannot evade the law. Ganyan. Whatever. So I was like, matino ba tong guy na to? I asked some friends, apparently, so this guy apparently was, I honestly don't know how to judge na, pero apparently naging balimbing, like lumipat-lipat, and he voted yes to legalizing pogos. And this guy was like so anyway, so ito si Joel Villanueva na I don't know, ano ba to? Harvey Dent ba to? Or whatever. So si Jinggoy, na I honestly like, obviously this guy is like, he's like,
it was his part that I watched, and it was all about grilling her about a boyfriend.
The boyfriend na.
Ano, kaya talaga?
Oo.
Ask yung gano'n kayo close. I was like,
for me, I think he represents kasi how yung mga, yung naninindak na ganyan. Pero parang, the thing is, end goal naman ng taong bayan ay, like, umusog tong issue na to. And you just have a bunch of people except for Senator Risa.
Imagine mo kung wala si Senator Risa, no?
Yun nga, except for Senator Risa.
Yeah.
A bunch of people who don't know how to
Question.
to execute an investigation.
Mhm.
And to your point, kung wala nga si Sen Risa,
Yeah.
talagang it was a shit show talaga. Kasi like, if magaling lang yung mga to, they would have asked the proper questions. They would have been able to temper. Tapos ito, so last, patapos na ako with my summary and then we can
go.
My third point. Sorry, to support my second point, the shit show of the senators. Kakatawa, Bong Revilla freaking arrives at 11 a.m. or 12.
He was late?
Late. Dating siya. Tapos siya. Madam Chair, I have a question.
Andito pa pala siya?
Yun nga.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I have not...
Madam Chair, I have a question. Parang mukhang bagong gising.
Siyempre kasi maraming nanonood, so dating siya. Oh.
Sa niya. Sino tumulong sa yung escape? Tapos parang, dude, they spent the past hour.
So parang, like he thought he ate.
Yeah, parang, yun
He
yung,
thought he ate.
siya yung parang late dumating sa thesis presentation or walang ginawa sa buong thesis.
And he thinks he did
Tapos
something
pagdating sa
groundbreaking.
presentation, parang, ako yung magkukwento ng
so embarrassing.
Ganun. So parang like, is no one else gonna contest this?
Dapat kung late ka, hindi ka na pwede pumasok.
Dapat talaga.
What a waste of
Dapat
time.
talaga. So, and then my last
At least watch the live stream. My God.
And then si Bato de la Rosa naman, this guy is just like, so this guy apparently was requesting for an executive session. Okay? In the middle of the investigation, na saying like, wag na tayo, in short, parang tayo na lang. Wag na sarap.
Sorry, Bato de la Rosa is what?
He was requesting for an executive session.
Na wala na hindi na i-live stream?
Para technically
Parang
na ano na lang, in-house, private na lang.
Okay.
So si Senator Joel,
Interesting.
Okay ba to o hindi? I would
Harvey
like
Dent.
Si Harvey.
Esque.
Si Face ba siya?
Accurate, Two-Face.
Two-Face ba o Harvey Dent?
Siya ba si
Anyway.
One-Face? Two-Face.
He's not.
He's not
So
one.
he's not Two-Face, he's not Harvey Dent.
He's not. Well, Two-Face and Harvey Dent.
Ayan, yun yung parang line ni Bong Revilla. Tumakas ka ba o
So,
tinakas ka?
Clara, can you please create a snippet na were you silenced or were you silent or were you silenced? Si Oprah. That is such an Oprah line. Kay Meghan Markle. Were you silent or were you silenced? Tumakas ka ba o tinakas ka?
Pero
Just
nakakatawa,
me?
after being so late, yun nga again, di dumating, di nakinig, sana man lang nakikinig siya sa phone niya, no? Like if he was really like, if he had intent of like, okay, I want this case to move forward. I'm here as it's my responsibility as a servant of the people. I'm coming in here prepared.
Wala.
Watch the fucking live stream, man.
Wala. Siguro ano yun, parang ginagawa niya papunta. Parang naglalazada. Ano nangyayari sa ano? Sino sana may parking ba?
Hindi Lazada, nagtetemu.
Temo. I don't even know what that is.
The new Lazada.
It's a shopping app.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or mga sa selfie. Nagde-telegram stories.
Sige. Sige, mabarinig na ako Tara mo may parking. Sige ka ng validation ayaw magbayad ng parking Hello?
Ma'am.
Malapit na ba tayo? May drive-thru ba malapit dyan?
Si may... Si may power bank. Yeah.
Sige. May emojim ka ba dyan?
Sino yun nandyan? Sino yun nandito?
Kaya wala siya na late. He had to wait until he had shat.
Or sabi mo ganito parang, sino ba yun nandun? Sino? Sino ulit yun? Alice, go. Okay. Uy, tas parang, kailangan daw natin mag-transfer. Hindi ko maganing login.
Check mo yung IG stories ni Sanrisa. Sino nandun? Igagawin dun si Bato. G na tayo. Sino punta tayo at tabi ako sa niya.
So, he arrived and did that. That was his major stunt. And then yung major stunt ni Bongo did not speak the whole time.
Was he late? Or was he late?
He was late. He wasn't there the whole time.
What?
Yeah.
Why are they late?
And then in the end, decides to, Madam Chair, I'd like to speak. I'd like to say, si former President Duterte, galit yan sa mga illegal.
I thought that was the last time.
No, it's this one.
Nung
Can we play it?
Walang connection.
Paano naman, oh?
Parang walang connection, gano'n?
Si Robin Hood ba nagsalita?
Pinaka-late daw siya. Best wife. Laging sinisingit si Dut.
Talagang siningit niya si Dut.
Walang connect.
Walang kahit anong connect. Started talking about like,
grabe.
Galit talaga siya sa illegal.
If you don't talk about me, like Bongo talks about Duterte, like, I don't want it.
I would like to,
Nag-appear lang si Robin kay Bongo after niya magsalita. So, nagsalita ba si Robin Hood?
I don't think so. So, sorry. Okay. Then, those are my thoughts, basically. So, that's what happened. Nothing happened.
So, nothing happened.
So, ito yung last thesis, statement ko. My last argument. Just imagine, we have one Senator Risa in this circus fest, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just imagine if we had 2, 3, 4.
Sayang naman. Imagine mo kung doon si Attorney Chel joke,
Attorney Chel. Parang just give us a fighting chance. Yeah. So parang, ito nga.
Siguro gigil na gigil yung mga yun, no? Habang nanonood.
Grabe.
It's like, I would have asked these questions. My God.
Tapos ang dami ring guys, pwede pa pala, yung kinainisan ko. First of all, sinisindak nila yung nandun pala si Coco Pimentel, the
breaker of COVID rules.
The breaker of COVID rules. Kasi ako naman, in fairness, like my irrational side was like, pagalitan nyo nga yung mga lawyer niyan ni Alice Go. Kasi parang for me, like, life is so short. And if you're gonna spend your life defending criminals who are overtly evil and guilty, what a waste of life. So parang I have zero empathy for these narcos lawyers.
I wonder how it is, like, how do they sleep?
That's
their...
nasira na. The balance between light and dark. Like all these politicians. Like for Bong Revilla, in his head, he's doing good.
It's like, ang pangalan niya?
You know how like Pablo Escobar was like,
I'm trying to
I'm
give
helping
back
children.
To the
I have this foundation. I'm okay naman ako eh. No one else can do it. May narcissism yan eh.
Or Danny Targaryen. Diba?
Yeah.
Na parang, well, I'm doing...
Imbis na dragon, parang Land Cruiser.
But she started as like, and then she lived long enough to be the villain.
Parang si Joel Villanueva. So, anyway, sabi, ito yung I think, so, there's this lawyer, apparently. Guys, can you explain, pwede pa explain yung kay Galicia? One of the lawyers there.
Okay.
Before that. The senators were grilling si Harvey Dent was attacking the lawyers of Go. Saying like, nakakatawa si Harvey Dent talaga eh. Talagang camera focus on him saying, I will not call you Alice Go.
Okay. Bet.
I will call you Gua Haping.
Go Happy.
Go
Okay.
Haping. So he kept calling her that.
Okay.
Can we ask the lawyers of Go Haping to tell your client to whatever. So inaaway nila yung lawyers.
So yung lawyer yung nag-notarize na nandito siya sa Pinas. Yun.
Yung Galicia yun. Yun yung
Okay.
Galicia. So before that pala. So si Go, yung inaaway na yung lawyers ni Go Haping, and then si Coco COVID. Si Coco COVID breaker Pimentel. He's the one who said like, let's not attack the lawyers. They're doing their jobs.
Okay.
In fairness naman.
Okay.
I mean, that is true. But again, I have zero empathy for defense lawyers.
Okay.
So, si Galicia, paki-explain niya. Ayan. So, he notarized the affidavit na nandito si Alice Go and she appeared before him.
Ay, gano'n naman ginagawa ng lahat ng notaryo, di ba?
Yun nga. And si Galicia looked so stressed. Ano ba si Galicia?
Tapos dinedeny niya na kilala niya si Galicia. Pero may NBI interview siya previously na sinabi niya na kilala niya.
Yun pala, they kept asking, do you know Attorney Galicia? No.
They kept asking Alice.
There's an interview, I saw it on YouTube, na nakakilala niya si Attorney Galicia. And yung nakakabaliw nga dito, yung ang pangit kasi ng questioning nga ni Harvey Dent. Pero, ang pangit lang ng questioning niya. Pero he was saying, kasi Alice Go said in her press con, she's saying na, I feel so safe because I'm with the PNP now, I'm with the DILG, whatever. So they were saying, so if you feel safe, why is the death threat stopping you? Shouldn't you publicly, parang kwento mo, sino nagde-death threat sa'yo?
Yeah. Mali sila that, but they should
nakikita ko nga na kaya naman i-break eh.
Kaya mo nga sa akin. Game.
I did it na before eh.
Go.
Wait.
Kung ikaw senator ka.
Okay. Alice.
Yes po.
Alam ko it's been a tough time. Okay? Pero nandito kami to help you. Okay? Alam kong nakakatakot, but you have the assurance of this committee.
Akala ko hawakan mo yung kamay ko. Mari, ba't ang lagkit ng tingin mo, Sen? Tama na po. Parang iba na po ito. Okay, let's stop. All right. I don't think this is a good idea.
Alice?
Yeah. Alice?
Alice, alis na tayo.
Sige, sabihin ko na po sa'yo lahat.
Saan?
J.R. Son says, get a room po.
Tara, punta tayo sa Land Cruiser.
Labo. Sino ka ba?
Okay. Alice, kape-kape. Okay. So,
Alice, will you marry me? Ay, nako.
So, it
ridiculous.
So, guys, I'm really interested though. Pa-explain nga yung Galicia thing. So, si Galicia approved it, and then mukha nga siyang ngarag na ngarag yung Galicia. Sino ba siya? Is he
notaryo lang ba? I mean, not lang, but like, I mean, like in the grand scheme of this whole thing.
Kasi they were saying, sabi ni Senrisa, so, Alice, are you, do you not care na madidisbar to si
Galicia?
Kasi hindi mo talaga siya kilala, hindi mo siya kakilala. Sinasabi ni Alice, hindi ko kakilala.
That's, you're under oath, diba? You can't do that.
I don't know eh.
Well, that's why she's in contempt. Well, another thing I'm interested is about the alleged boyfriend, Kalugay. So what's the big deal? So let's say she has a boyfriend.
No, because the boyfriend, the mayor of Sual, the mayor of Sual,
Tarlac
apparently helped her escape. So that's why they're trying to establish. And nakakatawa.
And he was not in the session.
He was not in session.
Why not?
And then kinall out ni Senrisa because after that 30-minute attendance call, tinanong, this is the second time he's not attended. The first time he said they had dengue. Second time, what's their excuse?
So he can be held in contempt.
I think subpoena. Parang they requested na isubpoena na. Now, ito yung nakakatawa, sabi. So, Alice Go says, magkaibigan lang po kami. Kaibigan. Ito si Jinggoy, if magaling ka talaga, like, dude, he was just looking kasi at pictures.
I know, I saw
smiling
that.
And
magkaibigan.
Oh, parang nagiging entertainment na.
Yeah.
Parang, don't do it that way, man. Like, parang, be factual and like, ibara mo siya.
Alam mo, he's doing it to get a reaction from the audience.
Oo.
It's like, that's not the point, dude.
Alam mo yung nakakatawa? There is a farming business or a water park or a flower park that's named after Alicel.
Which is the parang name niya tsaka name nung
mayor.
Boyfriend niya.
It is insane.
Farm. It's a farm?
I'm not sure.
I grew up on a farm. Alicel Aqua Farm.
Yun, Aqua Farm.
Oh, very Brangelina. Oh.
It's insane.
Yuck. Oh. Love Team Yarn.
Let's,
Alicel.
And I'd like to end by watching, would you like to watch the press con of Kibuloy?
Oh.
I haven't seen it.
What do you mean?
There was an official press con eh.
Sure.
To the podcast listeners, thank you. You can join us on playback.tv/Jim and Sab.
Thanks, guys.